is Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today, yes, I am in a garage. I know you guys are not expecting me to be in a garage, but I found this really cool way that my friend showed me of how to store your tools in your garage, and it's completely customizable, and so I loved it and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this is a piece of wood, and you cut the wood on a 45-degree angle, and when you do that, it creates like a little lip if you put it this direction. He's obviously spray painted them black to keep it very customizable and looking very sleek. And so you would put this onto the wall like this, and then the lip is created right here. And then he has gotten, these are actually PVC pipes that he spray painted black. And you can see that he basically nailed the wood onto the wall and then screwed the PVC pipe into the wood and created its individual holders for all these tools to keep them off the floor, hung correctly and neat. And so that's a great way to do it. He's also created this hook with using wood and a hook that is attached this way. And you can hook it onto here and then hook different, tools like this if it doesn't fit into a PVC pipe onto the hook. So I really love it. It's completely customizable. It does have shelves, and kind of like a retail store, the shelves can also be like lifted off and moved around. So you can basically customize your entire garage for your need and whatever it is that you're storing, and keep it all looking very sleek and organized and functional. And I just love it. I think it looks amazing in here. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancy.